If we live life remembering death, we'll never ever feel comfortable having a bad relationship or a bad conversation with someone. And the last way in which death will make our life better, remembering death will make our life better, is that it will make us people who do ihsan. And ihsan is kind of like this abstract Arabic word that people use sometimes, but I'm going to translate it for you here. Ihsan means trying your best 110%, giving everything you've got. That's ihsan. Ihsan means doing everything you can to reach the goal of success for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And if someone remembers death, they're not going to feel satisfied with second place. They're not going to feel satisfied with mediocrity. We're not satisfied as Muslims with mediocrity. We want the best. And some people translate that to doctor, right? But what we say is that anything you're doing, whatever you do, be the best at it. If you're a student in school, be the best. If you're a parent, if you have kids, be the best parent. Don't feel satisfied with not being the best parent with your kids. If you're a child, be the best child. Don't feel satisfied with your parents saying, yeah, he was good, there were some things that he lacked on. Try your best. And yes, we will hit bumps in the road. We will hit obstacles. But always bounce back. Bounce back from them, inshaAllah. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us amongst those who remember death. And not in a way that paralyzes us, not in a way that deflates us, but in a way that makes us realize and motivates us towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.